A clean windshield is important for a clear view while driving. The best way to clean your windshield is with a quality windshield cleaning tool. There are many different types of windshield cleaning tools available, so it is important to choose the one that is right for you. This video will provide you with an overview of the 5 best windshield cleaning tools on the market. So, watch the full video and check the links given in the description box for updated prices and information. Number 1 is AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. AstroAI has always been a reliable and excellent source of automotive and household tools. Founded in 2016, the company has since provided customers with high-quality products that have stood the test of time. The AstroAI Windshield Cleaner takes care of both the inside and outside of your windshield with ease. Plus, it reaches those tight spaces in between window panes that other cleaners can't touch, giving you a streak-free shine in no time. No more fumbling around with the handle that won't stay in place. The twist lock on this windshield cleaner is tight, and it stays extended all the way. It comes with 4 PCS of microfiber towels and 1 Extendable spray bottle, so you have everything you need to get a streak-free clean. This cleaner is also great for removing fog and moisture from your windshield, so you can drive safely in all weather conditions. In addition to those exciting features, it has a safety hammer at the joint of the handle and panel, so the hammer can be used to break through glass, making it a valuable tool in an emergency situation. Number 2 is XINDELL Windshield Cleaner. This windshield cleaner has a long extendable handle and pivoting head, making it easy to reach into the driver's area and clean those hard-to-reach spots. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. This windshield cleaner features 80-degree swivel triangular heads to make complete contact with the glass for a deep clean. This product comes with 3 PCS washable and reusable pads made of fine fiber fluff material, as those are made of a fine fiber fluff material that will gentle on your windshield but tough on grime. This windshield cleaner is safe to use on all surfaces and won't scratch, making it ideal for both the interior and exterior of your car. This windshield cleaner is also a great fog and moisture removal tool, so you can keep your windshield clear even in tough weather conditions. Number 3 is Gven Windshield Cleaning Tool. This windshield cleaning tool comes with 3x thicker microfiber, so you can enjoy a streak-free shine every time. The thick fibers are able to pick up more dirt and grime, making it easier to clean your windshield both inside and out. With a durable aluminum handle and a non-slip sponge, the windshield cleaning tool is designed for comfort and reliability. Whether you're cleaning your car on a sunny day or dealing with a tough spot of dirt, this tool will make the job easier. This windshield cleaning tool is extendable, so you can easily clean those hard-to-reach areas. No more bending and twisting your body to try and reach the top of the windshield. This tool will do it for you. This tool is designed with a pivoting and rotating head to provide better leverage while cleaning. With just a few swipes, you can have a streak-free windshield in no time. This windshield cleaning tool is the perfect gift for the car lover who has everything. It's a must-have accessory for anyone who loves to keep their cars clean and streak-free. Number 4 is AutoEC Auto Car Windshield Cleaner. Windshield cleaner is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car clean without having to put in a lot of effort. With an extendable handle that can reach up to 15 inches, the AutoEC Auto Car Windshield Cleaner is perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. The compact design also makes it easy to store in your glove compartment or trunk, so you can keep your car clean no matter where you go. And it features a 180-degree swivel triangular head to make it easy for you to reach all those tight spaces and get a thorough clean. With 4 removable and washable microfiber covers included, you can clean your windshield without worrying about scratches. These covers are specifically designed to prevent scratching, so you can keep your windshield looking new.
Hi everyone. everyone, so today I am going to be previewing the windshield cleaner. So this is something that makes an everyday kind of task such as washing your car a little bit easier. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple device. It comes already put together in the box. And what it does, it has an adjustable head and it has a microfiber cloth to wash the windshield wiper of your car. So the product comes with 4 different individual microfiber towels, and as you can see, it's fitted perfectly to this tool, which is really nice. It also comes with 2 of these spray bottles, which I filled mine, which is vinegar and water and some soap to clean the windshield wipers. So the microfiber is there to ensure that there's no streaks on the outside of your window, which is obviously, you know, desired when you are cleaning your car. But it makes things really simple. You just, you know, put it out as far as you can, and then you just, you know, scrub like you need to. Another thing that's really fun is that my kids can actually get involved in this now because they're able to kind of reach as much as they can with this, which they really enjoy. And then when you are finished, you just take the microfiber cloth off, you throw it in the washing machine, throw it in the dryer on like a light cycle, and then you put it back on and it's ready to go. All right, so let's take it outside to show you an example. Hey guys, so as you can see, we are outside. I have a very large SUV, and something that my family likes to do on weekends is to clean the cars in the driveway. Kids like to be a part of it too. This product comes with 2 of these little spray bottles, which are perfect for spraying your windshield. So what I have in here is a little bit of a mixture of Dawn and vinegar, because the vinegar helps with the streaks. So all you do is spray it on your windshield. And then as you can see, this is adjustable, which is really, really helpful. So you can start it off short or you can start it off far away. And as you can see, with little effort, I can reach more than halfway across my windshield. And the microfiber towel is soaking up the water really quickly and making sure that I don't have any streaks or anything on my window. And then if I have extra spots that really need to get clean, I just spray them again and rub them off. And then I can also make it a little bit shorter if I really need to start kind of scrubbing some different places. But it's something that makes this a lot easier to do, which is helpful, and kids can also help too.
Hi, I'm JC with Invisible Glass, and today we're going to show you the quickest and easiest way to get streak-free glass with the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool. Without the Reach and Clean tool, you're left up to the old way of doing things. We gotta scoot up, reach around, break your back, all over your car. And the problem with this is when you're grabbing it like this, you're not making a flat surface like the Reach and Clean tool does, and that can lead to streaks. So to demonstrate, we already have a bonnet on this Reach and Clean tool. And to get, again, with back against the chair, I can reach the entire way down this windshield. And we actually want the flat part of the head down at the edge in the deepest part. This flat edge can reach the entire way across the bottom, and then you can use the points to reach the corners, across the top, around your rear view mirror, around the perimeter, down the corner, and then you're going to want to drive your glass cleaner in vertical motions top down across your entire windshield. So that's the best way in one arm's reach to get your entire windshield. Typically, the inside of your windshield is not a very dirty spot. There's some off-gassing, especially if it's a new car. Smokers' cars or vape cars, they have some residues, things like that. You might have some dog prints or fingerprints, but luckily it's not a lot of heavy soils. So you don't want to over-apply glass cleaner. I prefer to spray directly onto the microfiber pad, so then there's no chance of overspraying your dashboard. Some people prefer that, and that's about all the amount of glass cleaner you need for a relatively clean windshield. Anything more than that, you're gonna have to pick up. Anything you put on your windshield, you're gonna have to pick back up with this microfiber. So start with a small amount, and again, use the technique we talked about. Go around the perimeters, around your rear view mirror, and then just drive that glass cleaner in vertical motions across the entire surface of your windshield. And again, if it's dirty, if it's a really dirty windshield, you might have to use it 2 or 3 times. If you're doing that, make sure that this bonnet is staying relatively dry. If it's oversaturated, you're never going to get that last bit of glass cleaner and soil off of your glass. So if you need to change it, again, remember for a dry one, quick flip on a dry, and then that'll help get the remaining residue off. Again, only if you have a really dirty windshield. Also keep in mind that the invisible glass reach and clean tool works great on all hard to reach glass. So your rear glass, sunroofs, big truck glass, and all around your home. It works great in all these hard to reach locations. The reach and clean tool is also great for cleaning under side window deflectors. Other than that, those are the most common issues people have with this. Let us know how you like this tool, and please leave a review. Thanks a lot.